question I have is, like you mentioned, a lot of companies are actually thinking about continuing remote workforce, given the fact how much money we'll save if they already have a structure built into it. What else do you foresee changing in near and long term? Like, does email become less used because we have tools like Slack and the conversational style?
You know, it's interesting you said the word change. I don't think it's so much that things are going to change as they are going to leap and accelerate into the future. We're not so much, and this is my personal opinion. I don't think we're changing. I think we're in fast forward. I think we're just forcing stuff forward a lot quicker than it was planned. You see like Zoom and different companies that are just having over a 500% increase daily of users. I think at the end of this, the silver lining is going to be that the stuff that was in the pipeline as far as technology is concerned and collaborative tools and us working from home is going to happen, within months. It's already happening, right? So, and what's going to be interesting are when you have these IT people that are already working remote and they're used to doing it, you have these brilliant minds coming together now for stuff. What is the new technology that's going to come out of this? Because our society is changing rapidly. So what tools are going to come out of this in 3 months, 6 months that were born because of this pandemic, technology speaking?